Ali's deep-seated passion for graphic design is evident from his childhood, where he spent countless hours honing his skills. His enthusiasm for design goes beyond mere interest. It's a core part of who he is. Despite being advised to pursue a conventional career path and facing initial setbacks in freelancing, Ali remains dedicated to his passion. His persistence is highlighted by his willingness to continue working on small projects and learning from them. Ali takes a significant risk by leaving his conventional job and diving into the world of freelancing. This leap of faith demonstrates his courage and belief in his own abilities. Ali experiences doubt and slow responses initially, but his resilience allows him to persevere through challenges. His ability to overcome these obstacles is crucial to his eventual success. Ali's journey reflects a strong desire for growth. He continuously works on improving his skills, staying updated with industry trends, and expanding his services. His proactive approach to learning and adaptation contributes to his success.